Princess is here. Say hi.
Hi.
She's got clothes on, don't worry. We are headed to the hair store because we have to get our hair done. Is my purse downstairs?
No.
Are you making a list?
Should I get it twice?
Adding extra stuff to the list.
It's an anklet. I have a pencil dress. I hope you don't got my head in that camera.
I didn't.
This is before she gonna work her little magic. So yeah, we're doing service for service. That means she does my hair and I'm gonna do her lashes. I'm asking her if she wants like a cat eye kind of thing, if she wants just straight like 12, 12, 12 or 12, 16, 18 of it. She doesn't know what that means. I'm gonna do her eyelashes anyway. She gonna have to suck it up because I'm broke, so I can't pay her for doing my hair. Oh, it extended to my face. Back it up. Back it up. What's happening?
Maybe I'll pick up something to eat for dinner. Yeah, different flavors. What is it?
Did you have this?
I didn't like. Oh, did I like it?
I guess so.
I think you drank it all.
I definitely did. Hi guys. This is an update. So guys, it's the next day and yep. The only reason why I'm wearing my bonnet is because I have to fix the frontal because I didn't buy any glue like I was supposed to. But yeah, 20-inch bust down. Parade.
So a couple days before Christmas, me and my family get together, a whole bunch of us, extended family, and we have a really big dinner together and a night of fun and games. So that's where we're headed to now.
You did what?
Mr. President. And drink, tables.
To enjoy each other's company as a family. Thank you once again for this gathering. These two great women. Share my life.
She's got name tags for everybody. Oh, you're so pretty!
Here makes noise. You comfortable? Okay, all we need is more money. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. And y'all supposed to be the young ones. Hey, listen to you. God. Here, like. That's most of it. Hey, you not giving mommy no hugs. Mommy a hugs again. Dad, you come and say that.
And the girls are really free to make it up because they suck. Yeah.
To society.
While drinking your juice in the hood.
Y'all are horrible at this game.
This is so sad.
You ain't giving nan
It's a
clue.
song.
You got your
I don't know what
hold the acronym
it's
up.
gonna give it away.
Let me.
That's the whole point.
Living my life like it's golden. What am I supposed to say for that?
Jill Scott.
You just
We got one.
as my
Jill
man,
got
he could do
two.
better than that. That was sad. That was really sad.
Back at 0.
You know what I heard? I heard that he was over there cheating with such and such, but
I
want to gossip, but you ain't heard it from me.
Yep, that's it.
If it ain't broken, don't fix it.
We didn't land on Plymouth Rock. Plymouth Rock landed on us.
Okay.
That was a good old. There you go.
Hold the car up. We can't see it.
There you go.
Okay. Hold the car.
look like.
You look like your mama.
When you're trying to explain a story,
What the heck?
and then you get caught up.
What happened?
What happened? What happened was.
What does your mom say all the time when you're trying to go clean?
Hold it up.
We got food.
We got food out.
What about
We gotta put our hand behind it.
Kids who love to eat.
Hey, that's Big G.
So, who's the head of your family? Eyes. Sleep.
That makes
So,
no sense.
We won. No, y'all didn't.
So thank you for tuning in to another episode of Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed my daughter's rendition of this Vlogmas as she took over my camera for practically the entire video. I also want to give a huge shout out to all my Patreons. Thank you so much for all your patience and support, and we'll see you back for another day of Vlogmas tomorrow. Until next time, bye guys.